Hello, welcome, and thank you for taking an interest in the development process of the ForexPipStack automated trading system. The development team here at ForexPipStack is very eager and excited to share some insight into the work and the features that go into making ForexPipStack such a powerful and technologically advanced system. In this video segment, I'm going to give you a little demonstration of how we do some optimizations that go beyond the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let me get the MetaTrader 4 open here. Now down here we have the strategy tester where we do all of our back testing on our systems using historic data. We're going to run a 6-month back test so that you can see the output of our optimization script. Now the normal MetaTrader 4 optimization allows you to step your parameters in either direction and get a general look at how certain combinations, take profits, stop losses, things of that nature, affect the overall performance of your system. Now what ours does is it takes the market data for each individual trade and it stores it when that trade is executed, so we can go back and take a look at what the market looked like for every single trade and then how that trade performed. I'm going to open this file up here that appears, this file path in the MetaTrader files. Now Windows doesn't know what it is, so we're going to select which program to use here. We're going to use Microsoft Excel because it's really easy to sort out the data. It's all spit out in a CSV file, comma separated variables. Give it a second here, and it's going to bring up all the data, and it'll be raw, and we'll use a macro that we developed to sort it out as we can get a better picture of the trade histories. Now this is something that we developed specifically for this demo, but it is internalized on all of our systems so that ForexPipStack can take live data, live market action as it's coming in, and essentially learn from it rather than being what we like to call over-optimized. Many Forex systems optimize and optimize and optimize for historic data, and the systems backtest very well, they have very low drawdown, they have a very high successful trade win rate, but when they're faced with changing market conditions, and as we all know the market is always changing, they tend to fail. Okay, so we have the data sorted out with our macro here, and as you can see every order is identified as a buy or a sell order, and various other characteristics that go along with each order, like its profit, whether it's a winning or a losing trade, and the value of various indicators that we selected as a demonstration for this. We use the average true range for volatility, the ADX indicator, the stochastic oscillator, for example, and this gives us a perfect picture of the market at every trade execution. And this is advantageous over the MetaTrader 4 optimization that only gives us the overall performance based on the external parameters we could set in the program, and that this gives us every trade's performance. It allows us to identify correlations, strong correlations for profitable conditions that help us strengthen our entry points, and it also gives us ways to identify what we call red flag instances, where there are certain indicators or certain things that pop out at us that indicate a high probability of a losing trade. Since risk management and drawdown management are some of our highest priorities, we like to eliminate these risks as much as possible.